So, this concept of hacking has become very popular, and there's two different ways to look at it. The nice way that I think about is learning more about your brain so you can build your skills at managing it. And that's what I've been talking about, and that's a great thing. But often the term hacking implies a fast, easy solution, that there's some quick way that you can get good feelings all the time, but your brain is not designed to do that. So I don't believe in any of these fast, easy solutions. So a famous one is to eat a certain supplement. And I won't even go into the list of supplements because you know so many of these. So, and a person thinks, oh, if I only eat the right whatever, then I'll feel good all the time. So many messages telling you that it's hard not to believe it. And if it's not the food supplement, then it's this certain exercise or this certain mantra or whatever it is that's going to give you the fast, easy happiness all the time. So my view is that our happy chemicals are not designed to be on all the time. They only turn on in the specific situations that I've mentioned. And we can create more of those situations, but we can't create them all the time because we habituate to what we have and we want more and more. So we need to just accept that we don't need to live at some level of heightened excitement every minute.